There are foods you should absolutely never put in your air fryer. This little machine earns its spot on the counter. Crispy, delicious food without any oil, done in a fraction of the time. But avoid these 5 things, and it'll run safer, last longer, and keep delivering for your family for years to come. And here's the thing, all 5 of them fail for the exact same reason. There's one fundamental way the air fryer works. An air fryer works by circulating hot air at high speed around the surface of your food. And each of these foods is completely at odds with it. We're talking about a damaged machine, a potential fire, and in some cases, things being created inside that aren't good for your body. If this video helps you, drop a comment below, something like, "Had no idea." It genuinely helps me know what to keep making. Hit subscribe and you'll never miss practical kitchen tips like these. All right, let's get into the first one. Number 1, rice and pasta. Food that's on your dinner tables every single night. But put either one in your air fryer and it simply won't cook. Doesn't matter how long you run it, it will not cook. You know that moment when you open the air fryer and pull out rice that's charred on the outside and rock hard in the middle? That's exactly what's supposed to happen, and here's why. An air fryer circulates hot air at high speed around the surface. Think of it as a powerful hairdryer pointed at a pot. You can aim it all day, you're never going to boil that water. Rice and pasta need to be fully submerged in water, absorbing heat slowly from the inside out. Hot, circulating air can't do that. It never will. And if you try to force it by adding water to the basket, the machine overheats, the components warp, and the repair bill ends up costing more than the appliance itself. Rice goes in the rice cooker. Pasta goes in a pot of boiling water. Number 2, popcorn. This one isn't about ruined food. This one is about fire. An air fryer runs on hot air. Popcorn pops from hot air. Seems like a perfect match, right? It isn't, not even close. No matter how long you run it, at least half those kernels will never pop. Why? For popcorn to pop, every single kernel needs even, consistent heat hitting it from all sides at the same time. An air fryer can't deliver that. The heat moves in currents. Some kernels catch it, others sit in dead spots and stay hard. And those unpopped kernels are the real problem. They get pushed around by the fan until they drift close to the heating element. Then they sit there. Then they burn. And a burning kernel pressed up against a heating element doesn't just smoke, it sparks. A surprisingly high number of air fryer fires are caused by exactly this. So popcorn goes in the microwave, not the air fryer ever. 2 minutes. That's it. Number 3, bread. Hot air in closed space. Should an air fryer toast up just like a toaster, right? The result is nothing like that. The outside dries out completely and goes hard. The inside turns dense and stiff. Nothing like toast. Here's why. An air fryer drives a powerful current of hot air across every surface of the bread at once, stripping out the moisture almost instantly. A toaster eases into it, gentle. Even heat that slowly warms the surface to golden without touching the inside. An air fryer doesn't ease into anything. The whole slice desiccates in seconds. But here's the bigger issue. Every time bread goes through an air fryer, crumbs fall. They drift down through the basket and collect at the bottom of the machine, right next to the heating element. You can't see them building up. They just accumulate quietly over time until there are enough of them and they ignite. Use a toaster. It's faster and your bread will actually taste the way it's supposed to. Number 4, cheese. This is one that catches a lot of people off guard because it seems perfectly harmless. It's also one of the most reliable ways to ruin your machine. Cheese in an air fryer doesn't melt the way it does in a pan, slowly, gracefully, going golden and bubbly. It liquefies in seconds and runs straight to the bottom of the machine. Nothing like the paste you'd see on a stovetop. Gone in a blink, dripping right down onto the heating element, where it burns and slowly damages the interior. And the smell? It sticks around for days. Why so fast? An air fryer hits the food with intense heat from every direction simultaneously. There's no gradual warm-up like an oven or a microwave. Cheese doesn't get a chance to melt slowly, it just goes liquid almost instantly. Now, this doesn't mean you can never use cheese in an air fryer. A small amount on top of another food, like a piece of chicken or a stuffed pepper, is usually fine because the food beneath it catches the melt. Or use an oven-safe dish inside the basket. But cheese on its own, directly in the basket? Never. Number 5. Battered foods. Of everything I'm covering today, this is the one that matters most. Not because of what it does to your machine, but because of what it can do to you. Fried chicken, fried fish, battered shrimp, anything you've dipped in wet flour batter before cooking. Here's the thing about these in an air fryer. The outside looks done. Golden, crispy, exactly what you were going for. Cut into it and the inside is still raw. Raw batter is wet and loose. It hasn't set yet. The moment it goes into the air fryer, the fan moves it around and it slides right off the food. Once that coating's gone, there's nothing to hold the heat in. The surface crisps up while the interior stays completely undercooked. Raw chicken, raw shrimp, right on your dinner plate looking perfectly done on the outside. That is a food poisoning risk, plain and simple. Anything in raw batter belongs in a skillet or a deep fryer. There's one important exception, and it's worth knowing. One of the best things you can make in an air fryer is actually pre-cooked frozen breaded food. And the key word is pre-cooked and frozen. Pre-cooked frozen chicken nuggets, frozen popcorn shrimp, frozen fish sticks. The breading on these has already set hard, and the inside is already fully done. You're not cooking raw meat. No runoff, no food safety risk. Today, we covered 5 foods that should never go in your air fryer. Rice and pasta, popcorn, bread, cheese, and anything in raw batter. And I want to say this clearly, the air fryer is a genuinely great appliance. But the truth is, your air fryer needs a lot more care than most people give it. Tonight, before you reach for yours, just take 1 second. Think about what you're putting in. That one small habit protects your machine and keeps the people at your table safe. If this video helped you, share it with someone you know who uses one. Nobody should have to learn this the hard way. Likes and subscribes keep this going, and I'm grateful for every one of them.